Welcome to another episode.
Will human nature ever change? Are we forever bound to the safety of the known, or are we driven by the pull of the unknown? And on its surface, in a world often chasing after more, there was Maya. Not a queen, not a hero, but an ordinary soul who found something extraordinary in her everyday life. Her days were filled with small joys, like the warmth of the morning sun, the sound of birds singing, or a joke shared with a loved one. She wasn't rich, not in the way the world often defines it, but she was abundant in what truly mattered. Then, one day, on a trail she often visited, she found it, a box, a strange device, with an X engraved on a big red button. It was a silent invitation, a question mark in the quiet story of her ordinary day. A universal warning, yet what does it mean to someone who already feels complete? For a fleeting moment, she saw both her path and the allure of the unknown. She hesitated, contemplating what might lie beyond this moment. And so, she did, or maybe not. It all depends on your perception. And yet, nothing seemed to change. No earthquakes, no new worlds. But then, her eyes aglow, a spark. The unknown had left its mark. Perhaps what she sought was never outside but within. Maybe that's what makes life fascinating. The mysteries we hold inside. Will human nature ever change? The same question echoes, timeless and unresolved. Meanwhile, in the quiet forest, the strange device remained waiting. Is this the start of a new story, a new choice? The question lingers, will they press the button? And if they do, what will they discover? Will you dare to press it, or leave the mystery behind?